How to remove the rear wheel of a motorcycle using the Maxijak. This particular bike is a Honda FMX 650 and they tend to be a little bit more awkward than the super bikes, the way the caliper's installed, but here we go. First job is to loosen the spindle nut and remove. You then introduce the Maxijak and the locking plate. Once in position, you take the weight of the wheel and then out comes the spindle. You then remove the chain onto the swing arm, remove the caliper and the wheel is removed. You can take it to do whatever you want to with it, and then when it comes to putting the wheel back in, make sure you've got your spacers in okay and everything's ready. You take the weight of the wheel once again, turn it in, and the first job obviously is to put the chain back on. Once the chain's on, it's then introduce the caliper. It's always awkward on these bikes, but with the Maxijak you still only need one pair of hands. Go back in, line things up, nut on, Maxijak out the way, and then you tighten everything up.